Am I the asshole for not inviting any of my siblings to my wedding? So I am 23 female getting married in a few months, and I have few significantly older siblings, 34 female, 36 male, 38 male and 38 male. All of them are now married, and since I was a teen when they got married and they had a child-free wedding, I was not invited to any of their weddings. My oldest sibling first had a child-free wedding and then the others decided to follow. When my oldest brother got married I was 10, so sure I kind of getting not inviting me. But I was still extremely upset. My oldest brother got married to a woman I really love and I can't even witness it. The other brother got married when I was 12, so again sure get not inviting a 12-year-old, but I was very well behaved child and again his sibling. My sister got married when I was 15, at first she didn't want a child-free wedding, but all of the family members convinced her because gets so refreshing to be in a wedding where children don't bring havoc, so she decided for a cutoff to be 16, and when I asked can I be a one exception since I'm 15 and your sister, she said no with a very serious tone. If we make an exception for you, what about other children? It's not fair. I got upset and screamed that what is not fair is not participating in any of my siblings' weddings. My parents got upset with me and grounded. And lastly, my brother got married when I was 17. At that point I didn't care. I knew there was going to be child-free wedding, and that once again I'm not invited. I didn't ask, beg. My step-cousin who just turned 18 just made the cut and I didn't. Well, as I said, I didn't care. Sent a quick congrats and that's it. My parents got furious on why I didn't even congratulated them. I just ignored them and spent all the time in my room with my now soon-to-be husband. Since I'm getting married I decided none of them are going to be there, since I wasn't allowed to be there too. When they didn't get the invitations they all came to my house and demanded to know why didn't they get one. I simply explained you didn't want me in your wedding, I don't want you in my. I explained how hurt I was that I was not able to see any of my siblings get married and they should experience the same. They said that the weddings had alcohol so they didn't want any young impressionable kids there. And I said all I wanted was to be included in the wedding part. I didn't care about the after party. Mom then started screaming again about how unfair I am and how she wants all of her kids to be together on that beautiful day. Ironic, but I am not backing down. I firmly believe in not inviting them. Am I the asshole?